How's it going? Quick video on how to replace your windshield wipers. Pretty easy. Driver's side is a 24, passenger 22. Little tab, press down and comes off real easily. It should be the same. Yeah, you just put it in there and then you just click it up, maybe. Kinda. Yeah, just like that. Real easy. Same thing for the other side. Yep, that's it. That's how you change them. Like I said, 24 driver's side, 22 passenger side. This is for the this is the 06 BMW 530i. Same thing goes. I have an Equinox 2015. It's the same thing. I think it's a 24 and a 22 as well. Yeah, pretty easy to do. Don't know what that's for. Yep, that's how you do it.